EXO!
White noise, thunder, Playboy, artificial love.
Does that say Playboy? And it's all caps trademark? Are they gonna have like the Playboy bunnies come out?
That would be interesting.
That'd be very weird.
Yeah.
Hugh Hefner. He's dead.
Yeah, bro.
But yes, EXO, another live concert performance that you guys really wanted to see. This was the most upvoted one on the last one we did. So
we're just chunking through them. Apparently,
chunking them.
There seem to be a lot of these like multiple song ones, and they're really cool because they flow really well into one another.
And apparently this is like a 3-hour concert, I think you guys were saying, which is insane, and it sold out in 0.2 seconds. Or 0.02 or something crazy like that.
Our hopes of ever going to a EXO concert.
Yeah. But yeah, let's check this out. The last one was insane. Oh, and there's tons of more requests that we still have to get to as well. So just leave them down in the comments again. Upvote the one you guys want to see next. We're just going to kind of keep like, you know, like mixing it up. Like we won't do concerts every single time. Like we'll mix in an MV last week, and then we'll mix in like dance practice and stuff. So it's not just the same concerts over and over, you know? Yeah. All right, let's do this. EXO.
Let's see how these songs sound. I don't think we know any of them.
No.
So we're getting a ton of new songs with these concerts too, which is really cool.
This should be very epic. Let's do this. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh,
this song's funky to start. The Reason on the platforms, of course.
Yes. Ooh. That beat is real funky. Wow. This is such an interesting song.
Very.
It's like only vocals on this really crazy beat.
Oh, it's raining. Is this related to the lightsaber one?
This has to be the same thing as the lightsaber one. Unless they just have this at a lot of places.
Yeah, maybe.
That's so cool.
They're still dry as of now.
Jeez. Oh my god.
Dang.
Wow. Wow.
Dang.
Thunder. After the rain comes the thunder.
Oh my god.
Wow. Whoa, different style. Ooh.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh boy.
Oh,
Whoa, his face just went.
serious. Whoa, that was cool.
This song is smooth.
Wow. Oh, that dancing.
Wow.
Picking up.
Oh. Dang, that song was good. I love how
Yeah.
smooth that was. Oh,
Playboy. Jeez, they like that. Yeah, that song was good. It was very smooth. Cheers. The cheers.
Oh, it's going up.
Wow. Kind of getting center stage for this song. Oh, it's fun. Okay. Whoa. He's getting high.
Oh, he is. Oh boy, the crotch grab. They know the audience likes that.
They do. Jeez, the cheers.
Now I feel like it's gonna be intense on the way out.
Whoa, they got canes.
Oh boy.
The crotch movements are continuing.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Ah.
It's funky.
Never seen cane dancing before. Ooh.
Whoa. This style's so interesting.
Oh, there's connected canes. Wow. Dang. Oh,
They're doing it again.
wow. Dance time.
Ooh, the vocals here too.
Dang.
Whoa. Oh, the button.
He just unbuttoned. How's that one standing? Oh.
Wow.
Wow. Oh my gosh. What the heck
Are they
is
turning
happening?
into Kenshi from Mortal Kombat?
Yes. What the?
Whoa. Jeez, see how much practicing this would have to take. Do it blindfolded?
What the heck? I think Kai, if he had dark hair, could be Kenshi.
He could.
He has the. He just needs to learn how to use katana.
Yeah, and use telekinesis.
Yes. And be like, yeah. That was crazy.
Yeah,
it's a lot more sensual this time around.
A lot more sensual.
There's a lot of hip thrusts, cross grabs, pole or cane riding.
Cane riding indeed. Yeah, the vocals on a lot of these songs were, of course, EXO.
Fantastic. And they all like transitioned into the rap so well too.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the 2 middle songs were pretty like slower, like vocal heavy songs. They were really smooth. And then the first 2 were kind of more like funky. Boom, boom, boom. Like this last one, Artificial Love, that thing was funky.
That was some funky stuff, and they got the rap in there still, which is cool.
The canes were funky.
Yeah, they interlocked canes that far.
We should have got canes that were like this, like candy canes, then we could have interlocked them during it.
The restaurant canes?
Yes, the chicken restaurant where you can eat fried chicken. But
canes. We should have got canes.
We should have got canes for that performance. If only we would have known Artificial Love equals canes.
We should have.
But you can tell the audience was loving some of the things going on too.
Some of the part, especially Kai's part, they seem to really love.
And all of a sudden he'd like go do something and they go and you just give him that smile. Smile. He knows what he's doing.
He knows what he's doing.
But yeah, fantastic vocals, rapping, performance. It's crazy. It seems like, do they literally just do these songs straight, or do they do them in like chunks of 4, then like take a like half break and then back to do another 4?
They must have to. They're so sweaty at the end of the last ones. Usually they have to, I assume. This part too.
Because he didn't connect the heart. Connect my heart. Thank you.
So bad at doing these.
I know, my fingernails are so long. Heart.
That's a circle. What the heck? There. It might be better.
It's a really uggo one. Hopefully you enjoyed the reaction. If you did, subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Leave your suggestions for the next performance you want to see in the comments below. See you later. Bye.